You clicked on this video for one reason, and it's not to watch me. You wanted to have a look at the Audi RS7. Now this is an absolute beast. We'll be going around all the features that you can get on the Audi RS7, going on the interior, the retractable spoiler, the LED headlights. So we've got lots to come. So let's get straight into it. So then for starters, let's talk about the colour. Now this is finished in Nardo Grey. Now if you're going to buy this brand new, your starting price is about £115,000, but this is actually the standard colour that you can get for free. Now I think that this is really nice. It's a lighter shade than the Daytona Grey that you can get. It's on the screen right now, but I actually really prefer the Nardo Grey. It really brings out the carbon features much better. So let's have a look at the front grille that you get. So then starting off with the LED headlights. Now check the animation out that you get on the headlights. Now how cool is that? You notice the blue little aspect inside, well that's the Audi laser light that you get on the RS7. You've got the carbon fibre on the front splitter and the air intakes, as well as a front black grille that you get that looks aggressive and sporty that you get on the side part as well. Next to the air intakes, well you get the blacked out logo, the black RS7 badge as well, not to mention the extended wheel arches that make it look a lot more sportier and mean and aggressive. How about the side and the alloys now? So then from the side you get this huge beast of the wheels, and that's the 22-inch 5-arm titanium alloy wheels that you get. Now these look sporty and mean, especially with the red brake calipers that you get. Not to mention you get the carbon fibre electronically foldable wing mirror and the carbon fibre side skirt. And you can see the privacy glass that you get on the B-pillar backwards. Not to mention you have got a panoramic sunroof on the top as well, which makes it really sporty. But let's move on to the back. Not only is it aggressive on the front, but it's aggressive on the back. Check that out, it's a retractable spoiler, but also you get the full width LED tail light. Not to mention the blacked out logo, which really stands out with the RS7 badging as well. Moving on down a little bit, you've got the carbon fibre rear diffuser and the texture design. But what makes the Audi RS7 really stand out is them two huge oval exhaust tailpipes, and we'll get onto speed a little bit later. But let's hop in the interior now. So then let's take a look at these seats. Now these are the leather seats that you get on the interior. You've got the red stitching, the red badging and the RS embossed. They're manually adjustable with the leg extender as well, heated as well, and take it from me, they are dead comfy. So then let's take a look at the interior. For starters, you've got the carbon fibre trim, the black trim as well as the aluminium. It's got the quattro badging, the infotainment centre, all very cool. Just down below you've got the climate control, the 2-zone climate control, or touchscreen as well, heated seats, heated steering wheel. You've also got the Alcantara on the centre console, it's on the doors, it's also on the gear selector, and it's on the flat bottomed RS multifunctional steering wheel. It's got the gear pedal, speed limiter as well. Not to mention just behind it is the digital display. Now this can be viewed in different ways to suit your driving needs, but this has also got 4 driving modes. If you can press the button there: efficiency, comfort, auto and dynamic. Now this has got the cool drawer for the 2 cup holders, not to mention that this has got the parking camera and parking assist as well. And not to mention you've got the Alcantara all around the roof and the side parts of the doors. You've got the red parts on the seat belt as well. Not to mention the panoramic sunroof can be opened and closed through that button. And you've got the ambient lighting, plus you can retract your spoiler by holding that button on the climate control. So that is just a quick interior. Let's hop in the back. So for starters, you get the same seats as in the front, the RS embossed for red stitching. You've got the center console that if you open, you can just push that button and that will open the 2 cup holders. You also get the cool drawer that you can just put some items in. It's got quite a bit of room for 5/8, which is brilliant for passenger seats as well. You've got the storage nest for the map books if you need it. I don't think so nowadays, but you've got the climate control just down here for both of the passengers. You've got the USB-C devices, and not to mention you get the carbon trim, Alcantara and red stitching. So the back seat passengers should be really comfy in the back. So then with the RS7 you do get the automatic tailgate. Now with a double click of the keys, this will automatically open the boot. Now you get 535 litres of boot space with the seats up, but if you fold them backseat passenger seats down, then that can hold 1,390, which is really quite a lot of space for them golf clubs, shopping, vacation trips. But that's not all. Let's check out its power, because this beast can go quick. So then this baby can pack a punch. This has got a V8 engine, 4 litres as well, 8 cylinders, but let's hear some facts. This has got a 0 to 62 time in 3.4 seconds, top speed of 174 miles per hour, and not to mention 621 brake horsepower. Now this is an absolute beast. No wonder people like to drive it in Germany when there's no speed limits, because this can go quick. So then this absolutely packs a punch, and it's gorgeous. It's got the carbon fibre everywhere, it's got the nicest interiors, and not to mention that it's got the huge oval exhausts, which makes it look sporty and mean. So over that, give me a like if you have enjoyed this video, and until next time, don't forget to check out special offers and all that we have to offer. But until next time, I'll see you later.